Hi, I'm Marie from Fermenti.
Hi, my name's Sam. I run a food manufacturing business, Ming Foods, that specialises in making Chinese pancakes.
So my name's James Taylor Medhurst. My product is an alternative to the energy gels that you see people slurping back at sports events.
So my product is a fermented fruit cookie, and the mission of Fermenti is to bring fermented foods in all the families, to have an easy to eat fermented food that's very tasty, unlike maybe kimchi and sauerkraut that not everybody would like.
I've come onto the Food Accelerator Programme with a group of other food producers.
It's been very helpful because it puts you in touch with a whole network of people. I found funding for research that I wanted to do as well. I found a mentor who was amazing. So yeah, it's been fantastic.
These guys genuinely, you ask a question and they will find out for you, and the whole class will get these experts to give us literally free information. And I've been doing a lot of research, and you can't get a lot for free. It's gold dust. You just can't find it unless you're scouring YouTube, and you're really lucky.
The best thing actually has been the opportunity to look at all the cool and wonderful work that's actually going on in and around Kent, and it actually helps to shift the mindset coming out of pandemic and seeing the opportunities and the energy and the growth that's actually happening out here, and the potential for doing collaborations with other businesses, with institutions like the University of Greenwich, and just the support available there.
Yes, but that's what's important.
I would say, yeah, definitely apply. If you're an entrepreneur, or even if you've just got an idea, then get involved, because they will help you grow and develop that idea. And if you already know or think you know what you're going to do, still definitely get involved, because you'll probably change direction through learning, different approaches and routes to market.
I'd strongly recommend it to other people. You'll meet tons of people, you'll build up a network in the manufacturing sector for funding, mentoring. It's brilliant.
Put your name forward now, because if you're stuck in a funk, or you're looking for solutions, or you just want to meet other people who face similar problems, then it is there, and you can work on it together, and you will find that it will energize you to help you solve your own problems further.